Welcome back to Spank Ranch Garage. Got an LB7 federal emissions truck here, PPE downpipe. Initial thoughts, it's got some pretty nice welds, nice thick stainless flange, decent shape to it. Having the heat wrap on it right out of the box is nice. Come on guys, what is with this bracket? I read this online. It's like, oh, maybe they had a bad batch or whatever. Nah, it's like, come on, you guys. Pretty nice welds, you even engraved your name into it, but it doesn't fit. GM probably made 3 million of these downpipes and they all bolt right up. The turbo bolts right to the cast iron valley of the engine. This all bolts up rigidly. There's no tolerances here. There's nothing to move. You're that far off? Come on. Get it together. Pain in the ass, come on. All right, the crappy bracket's off. Now I'm gonna go TIG and fill in these battle wounds here. All right, a couple little dents, imperfections, whatever, but we're back to almost a virgin downpipe. So let's put it on the motor and figure out where the bracket needs to be. This thing ain't even close. Trying to make something happen here without rebuilding this entire bracket. What a freaking turd. All right, so the bracket is, I bent the hell out of it and fit it back to the pipe, so let's weld it up. I'm in a little bit of a bad mood because if I wanted to be fabricating my own crap, I would have just fabricated my own crap. I tried to buy my way out of it so I wouldn't have to, and here we are. All right guys, that wraps this one up. Reason I'm making this video is if you're putting this downpipe in the truck, you know how much of a disaster it is trying to do that. It's very tight, very difficult install. If I was doing this in the truck and that bracket problem reared its head, I'd be pissed because I don't want to be putting this thing in and out 6 and 7 times, dragging my TIG welder out to the driveway to tack this thing in place. I mean, come on. I read that this was a problem. I bought this straight through PPE, so if they had an old batch or a known issue, they should have handled this. They obviously didn't. I have some of their other products. It's been very good. I gotta say this downpipe, very disappointing so far. We'll see how it holds up in the long run. I like the shape of it. I do appreciate it's stainless. I do appreciate the, heat crap on there, whatever, but the bracket's very discouraging. Anyway, hope you learned something from this video. If you're gonna go for one of these, I wish you luck. Maybe you'll get one that fits, but if it doesn't, cut the damn bracket off, run no bracket, worst case, or take your time and weld it back on. But there are a lot of downpipes on the market for these engines. Some of them probably bolt right up, so I would definitely consider one of those. Anyway, thanks for watching Spank Ranch Garage. See you next time.